Alright, what's up guys? I'm basically just going to teach you a bunch of stuff for like 1v1s. I made this map a little bit ago for a video I never posted. But yeah, so I'm not going to actually show you how to make the 1v1, I'm just going to show you features. So I'm going to start the game and show you stuff I have. I don't know if it still works or not, but yeah. So, the barriers, I had it so, I never finished it, but like, you could like hit this stuff and it would go. This is the only one that I have, because the other ones I made invisible, because it was glitching out, but basically it does work. I can show that later. But if you go here, teleports you back. I don't know why it's showing the break animation. I'll just build a little bit. Resets the builds. The weapons are geeking out right now. I don't know. Touch grass gives you XP. 200, 175, 200. Bang. At the top. So yeah, I'll just show you all the stuff I have. So, for starters, I'll show you the reset builds. So I'll show you the explosion device first. I have it, can be damaged, display damage numbers off, blast radius, I have the max, player damage 0, structure damage 5000, damage indestructible builds, no, knockback, none. This is fine. Play audio, VFX, no. Visible during game, no. Collision during games, no. Show hop ball, no. Play audio, no. Time until reset allowed, 1. You can make that 0.1. Doesn't matter. I have that for all of them. Then I just did glass, and then the text box. The trigger is visible in game, off, enable on game, start, whatever. I need that on. Trigger player off, trigger by damage on, restore off, trigger VFX off, trigger CFX off, receive damage when invisible, take damage, yeah, and then you just hook that all up, so the triggers, you just go on trigger to event to all the explosions. There you go, you have that. This now, I have the triggers pretty much same, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I have it all the same. I did the same thing as that, the glass, that. And then, but, I placed these. How does glass switch do? You set it to the other thing. Team switch you, don't override. Time to switch 0, respawn player on switch off, restore health and shield on switch on. Size and volume, this doesn't matter. This all doesn't matter. Zone audio off, activation audio off. And then you'll just have this change blade of glass when receiving from the trigger that you have on this one. And then for the other one, it's the exact same thing, but you'll have it set to that from this trigger. And for the class designer, you set it to this thing. Alright, and this stuff doesn't matter. You just gotta go to the health. Starting shield percentage 100, and then max shield is 100, and then for the other one, it's just 75. That's good. Alright, this, I just set grass, and then did like black walls around this. Okay, let me see what this. Oh no, I did. It's like this thing. I'm gonna put grass over it in the button. Interaction time 0.0 for instant. This is fine. Delay 1 second. Reset delay 0.75. Trigger sound disabled. Interaction as touch grass. Visible during game, no. And interact radius 1. And then glide. Name touch grass. Description go shower. Limited word count, no. FV small. Splash size automatic. Check mark. Then This is good. I noticed that it award random scene from, but I'm not gonna show the weapons. That's really up to you. This I did. It's the same. The triggers is all the same, but trigger when receiving from player spawn, like your player spawns. I think this is just clear. Yeah, it's nothing. It just disables all of it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, on triggered sentiment, it disabled all of them. I did a barrier to show like the thing. Triggers all good. On triggered sentiment to the barrier device. Yeah. Alright. Ooh, I got no school tomorrow. On triggered sentiment to the one you want enabled. And then the rest disabled. And you do the same. This one will be the barrier you want enabled, and the rest will disable. It's the same thing for that. I don't know if I went over this yet, but you can go to my other channel, and I have a video where it's 1v1 make that, because I don't really want to show this. I'll do the link in the description for my other channel, and you can do the, I'll put the video. But yeah, that's it. Oh, I'll show the mutator as well. So the mutator is zone visible during game, no. Zone with 100 depth. Zone height 0.75. It's up to you. Affect players, yes. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter either. And MOP effects, you can disable that. Allow weapon fire on. This is all good. And then on player entering zone, sentiment to the teleporters, you're gonna want to make it on the ramp, so when you fall, you'll teleport to the ramp. That's it though. Anyways, have a good day. New videos will be posted soon.